Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Khan. Today's our class is of maths and our topic is angles and pair of angles. This is a ray BA, ray BA, and this one is ray BC. When two rays meet at a single point, angle is formed. Now angle ABC is formed. What is interior and exterior of the angle? The part which is inside the angle is interior, and the part which is outside part is the exterior. As same as the point which are inside the angle, P, T, R, Q, S, N, L, M, H. Points which are inside the angle are interior. Interior points. Points which are outside of the angle are exterior. Exterior points. And the points which are on the arms of the angle. The points which are on the arms of the angle are points on the angle. Okay, then which points are interior here? Point P, point T and point R. Points P, T and R. P, T, R and exterior points, point Q, point S, point N and point L. Exterior points Q, then S, then N and L are the exterior points. And which points are on the angle? Point M, N and L. Got it? Interior points, then exterior points and points on the arms or points on the angle. The next is adjacent angles. Let me clear this first. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Observe this diagram carefully. Angle BAD and angle DAC having common vertex, having common arm and separate interiors. For example, common vertex, common arm and separate interiors are called adjacent angles. The angles having common vertex, common arm and separate interiors are called adjacent angle. Write the name of the adjacent pair. Adjacent angle of pair. Sorry, adjacent pair of angle. Angle BAD angle BAD, and angle, always write angle in 3 letters, angle CAD or BAC, you can say BAC are adjacent angles. Then what are adjacent angles? Angles having common vertex, common arm and separate interiors are called adjacent angles. Okay. One more diagram. Ray OA, ray OB and ray OC are meeting at O, means common vertex. Consider the pair of angles. Angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent. Why? Common vertex and common arm and separate interiors. One more pair, angle BOC and angle COA, again common vertex, separate interiors and common arm OC. One more pair, angle COA and angle AOB, again common vertex, common arm and separate interiors. These are the pairs of adjacent angles. Okay. Now, next topic is complementary angle. Complementary angles. What is called complementary angles? If the sum of two angles, if the sum of measure of two angles, if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are said to be complementary angles of each other. For example, with the help of diagram, I want to explain. Angle ABC is of 90 degree. Because of BD, angle ABC is divided into two parts. Now suppose this is the angle of 60 degree and this is the angle of 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is 90. Means sum of these two angles, measure of angle ABD and measure of angle DBC, 60 plus 30 is 90. Therefore, these two angles are complementary of each other. Therefore, these two angles are complementary of each other. This is angle of 50 degree and this one is 40 degree. Again, ABC, I want to give name M N P. Angle ABC is of 40 degree and angle MNP is of 50 degree. That means 40 degree plus 50 degree. What is the sum? Is 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are complementary angles of each other. Isn't it? Suppose measure one of the angle is given and it is 55 degree. Find out complement of 55 degree. Then how will you solve it? Suppose, stepwise, suppose measure of complement angle is x degree. Now what is the condition? The sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then they are said to be complementary. Therefore, one of them is given 55 degree plus x degree. Sum is 90. Therefore, x degree is equal to 90 degree minus 55 degree. Here is plus, 55 is plus, but after changing sign it will be minus. What is the answer? 90 minus 55. It is 35. Therefore, what is the complement of 55 degree? Is 35 degree. Isn't it? Any difficulty? Okay, the next topic is supplementary. One more type is there. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? If the sum of measures of two angles, if the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angles of each other. Okay. Suppose one of the angle is given 120 and this one is of 60 degree. Angle PQR and it is XYZ. Angle PQR is of 120 degree and angle XYZ is of 60 degree. What is the sum of these two? 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree, and this is the condition for supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are said to be supplementary angles of each other. For example, angle of 130 degree is given and find its supplement angle. Suppose, how will you calculate? Suppose the measure of supplement angle is x degree. What is the condition for supplement angle? Their sum should be 180 degree. Therefore, as per condition, what is it? 130 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 180 minus 130. It is 50 degree. Therefore, what is the supplement of 130 degree? Is angle of 50 degree. Isn't it? Understood? If you understood each and every part, please like this video, share it and subscribe. Thank you.